survival, we will not leave this to go so easily, at no cost.
High Court is there that every village has to have their own waste management setup. Some villages have done. Some of the villages which have not done have been fined. So what I would say is no to this plant, and whatever the expense that is going towards this plant, distribute with the villages for each panchayat to set up their own plant.
39 villages are going to come with their waste.
Okay.
And there are court directives. I need to give you small examples. There are a couple of panchayats which are breaking down their own wet waste into organic waste, and they are doing a very fantastic job. म्हाका दिसना की असले centralized system हाडून सगळ्यांचीच वाट लावपाची गरज आसा.
We have been pursuing this from the time they had proposed it even 2.5 years back, and right now, last week when there was a press note, we have got aware of how things are moving, and for that the constituents of Nuve constituency, in the recent press release from the Goa Appraisal Committee putting clearance for the solid waste management plant at Verna on hold, is a perfect case study of how government and its agencies operate in an ad hoc manner, showing scant respect to the law and due processes that are mandatory. It is interesting that GSEAC has instructed the project proponent, that is Solid Waste Management Corporation, to conduct new public hearings and collect community inputs. This is the community that stays in the periphery of this plateau. When no public hearing has been actually held so far on ground truthing conducted, if it had, then it would have been clear that the plant was being set up on a huge aquifer and is the origin of various springs that feed the Amblur Lake, which is a straight point of River Sal, starting point of River Sal, which runs through entire South Goa right up to Betul. It would have been noticed that the plant was being set up a mere 350 meters from human habitation, Lokvasti Asa, and nestling close to a number of pharma companies in this industrial estate. There are so many pharma companies. We depend on water, and this big project is coming in close vicinity to them. It is also strange that GSEAC has not questioned the cut-paste copy project report which is submitted by the project proponent, giving totally false details, misleading and inaccurate information. Despite constituents of Nuve constituency bringing it to their notice, we have called upon them with a delegation and impressed upon them about the facts and scientific repercussions of it. For instance, the distance between Malasa temple has been located at 10.7 kilometers when it is just 2.2 kilometers. So this is a false information. The actual distance in reality is not really given, and it is misleading. There is also a chapel standing 239 meters from the site, from there to here, of the proposed plant. Does the government of Goa believe that venerated religious structures deserve to coexist chick by jowl to a garbage plant? Arvind Sanko.